We are Couple on the Cut, Cindy, Michael and our furry crew member Toffee, and we live aboard our 57-foot narrowboat Tumbleweed as we seek adventure on the inland waterways of England and Wales. Glad to have you join us. Welcome aboard. Good morning all. This video sees us continuing our journey along the Shroppie. We cruise through Wheaton Aston, Gnosall and Market Drayton, where I visit a Christmas market. Unfortunately, our front-facing camera demanded a break and refused to work. However, we hope you enjoyed the footage that we did manage to capture. The Shropshire Union Canal, formed from the Chester, the Ellesmere and the Birmingham and Liverpool Junction canals, merged with the Llangollen and the Montgomery canals in the mid-1840s to create the Shropshire Union Railways and Canal Company, one of the few companies to construct both a canal and a railway. Today, the Shropshire Union Canal Society preserves and maintains the canal. This is Drayton Aqueduct. It is a short cast iron aqueduct designed by Thomas Telford and constructed in 1832. It carries the Shropshire Union Canal 30 feet over the A5 road. We stopped at Wheaton Aston for the night so that we could pick up a parcel. Homer Simpson is the last person I expected to see in Wheaton Aston. I was invited in for tea and cakes in this church, but unfortunately I had to turn it down to get the parcel back home. The white building is a spa shop, and they kindly accept parcels and letters to be collected by customers. Toffee, come on. While out walking Toffee in the morning, she seemed to take offence at the litter bin and wouldn't walk past it. Come on. We stopped here for diesel before heading on to Gnosall. This must have taken ages for the Mora to do this. There's so many things here. He's really gone to town. I wonder where he stores it all. There's only that tiny little shed. This is Cowley Tunnel. It is a short, unlined tunnel also built by Thomas Telford. The initial plan was for it to be a 630-metre tunnel, but this was changed during construction in 1831 to a much shorter 74-metre tunnel due to unexpected faults in the rock. We actually like the rough-hewn look about it. We had to be very careful going over these trees that have fallen into the canal. We did ring CRT and let them know. We also warned oncoming boats about them. Mooring up for a night or two. This is Bridge 39, also known as High Bridge, and it is probably the most iconic and photographed canal bridge in Britain. It has a strainer arch which was added around the mid-19th century to relieve pressure on the original bridge from the surrounding cutting walls. The strainer arch also served as a base for the telegraph pole installed in 1861, which, as you can see, is still present. It is rather interesting that people driving over the bridge might not realise what lies beneath, but from our narrowboat perspective, we get to see things that many others miss. Many farms, such as this one, rents out moorings to narrowboaters. Apparently, these glamping tents have wood-fired hot tubs inside. Woodseaves cutting on the Shropshire Union Canal is the deepest at up to 21 metres, which is 69 feet, and is one of the longest canal cuttings in Britain. Located south of Market Drayton, it is known for its narrowness, dense woodland and rock-cut nature. These landslides are just two of the ones that we've seen while being on the Shropshire Union Canal. Moored at Market Drayton. Downtime, with Em doing some graphite pencil drawing. Storm Claudia arrives. On my way to Market Drayton to have a look at the Christmas market. Wonder what Toffee would make of this giant gingerbread man. Back at Tumbleweed, and Em is creating a home for my ukulele.
Come on, man. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl.
Look at her tail going.
Look on. Look on.
We really hope you've enjoyed this video. If this is the case, we'd really appreciate it if you could click the like button, the subscribe button as it's totally free to do, and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Oh, and not forgetting the new hype button. It would really help our channel. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you on board with us today. Thank you for watching, please take care, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye for now.